Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm trying to change that line but it's stuck to my lips, but we will get there someday. In this video I am going to be talking about beginner friendly patterns. I was going to do 5, but I have one extra one, I don't know. So let's just get straight to the video. Before we go ahead, have you subscribed? I'm seeing you, I'm looking at you, yes you. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button now, and also make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up. The more you thumbs up my video and subscribe, the more encouraged I get, because these videos are very difficult. I'm not even gonna lie, sewing videos is not a joke, it's crazy. Now let's get to the video. The patterns I'm going to talk about, most of them I don't have them, but I have looked at them, and for me as a sewing person, or as a sewist per social media term, I'm able to look at patterns and tell whether it is for beginners or not, especially because I am also looking at it from when I was a beginner. And even the one that I haven't sewn it yet, but that one is easy. Also, I can tell you the ways that you can make it easy if you think that it's still a bit difficult. I will be looking at my phone and talking about the patterns, so bear with me. If you see me looking down, I am looking on my phone. The first one is going to be the McCalls M7948. This pattern I really like. Of course, you know, there are always variations, but my favorite is the View D, and it's in white. You know, I really like white. I'm sure you've heard me talk about white a few times. And then also I have made 2 of my projects in white. It's very trendy. It's the tiered dress, and the sleeve is also tiered. It's a beginner friendly pattern. The only thing is I'm not able to see the back, but I'm very sure that it will be a zipper because of the neck, or it may be a fastener. So that would be an easier option, but then if it's a zipper, then it will be a little bit high for a beginner, in my opinion. This dress I'm wearing, it has a button, okay? Even though it is high neck, it has a button. So if it's something like that, then it should be easy. I think this is really nice. It's really stylish. The View C is also really nice. The View A, the View B. The box place is also not bad, but then I think that the View D and View C will be your easiest option, especially the View C actually. The View C without sleeves will also be easy, but the View D is okay too. The McCalls M7948 is a really trendy, stylish, beginner friendly pattern if you are looking for something like that. So the next one will be the McCalls M7962. Now this one, of course, it is beginner friendly. I really like it. I think it's very trendy. I like all the styles there. This one gives you an opportunity to sew pants. So I, for one, when it comes to sewing pants, I'm not intimidated at all. It is drafting the pattern. So if that has been done for me, that is amazing. You can make shorts out of it, and then also the top, you can make variations. The View A, the View B, I like both of them. I most likely will sew the View B. I'm not so into tying stuff, even though the dress I just made has a tie at the back. That one is just, you know, one. But when it has a lot of stuff they need to pull, I'm not a fan of that. But that is a way of also fastening the top. The View B is absolutely nice. It's beautiful, it's simple. The View C and the View E, now I think that one you need to use a zipper at the back, especially for the View C. You need a zipper, and also the View A actually you also need a zipper, I believe. But yeah, you need a zipper. So again, if you're not comfortable with fixing zippers, then you want to stay away from this, or you can use elastic band for the pants. You can also shade the back as well if that's what you want to go for, but you definitely want to start trying sewing with a zipper, because at some point you have to sew with it. And there was a time when I thought anybody who could sew a zipper into a clothing was a genius. I used to alter my clothes, and if there was a side zipper, I would steer away from altering it. I really hated it because I couldn't do anything about the zip. So the third one will be McCalls M7958. This one I really like it, but it's for the daring. I am not this daring. I mean, I will show a little bit of midriff, but not this much. If you are, daring, you're confident, you don't mind showing more of your midriff, then this will be for you. I love all the views. View A, like I said, that one is very daring. View B covers you more than view A, and of course view D also covers you more. It's a peplum top. And then view C also is more midriff. View A is a bralette. It's summer. If you don't mind making a bralette, this is awesome for a beginner. I'm not sure of the back, if it's a zipper that you need to have there. This is really cute. And what I like about this is you can also make it into a dress. You can just attach a rectangular piece of fabric and you have a dress. Or you can also add a circle skirt and make it into a circle dress. The second pattern that I talked about, you can attach the pants to the view C of this pattern and you have a jumpsuit, or you can attach shorts and you have yourself a play suit. That's what they call it, right? Play suit. Yes. The thing about patterns is I like to mix them. I haven't had the chance to use patterns that much, but if I get patterns, I don't sew it as is. I like to mix it up. Sometimes I'll just take maybe the top part and then make the bottom part my own, or take the bottom part and make the top part my own. So if you also think in that way, then yeah, absolutely. Alright, so number 4 will be the very easy Vogue 9377, and as the name says, it's very easy, it's beginner friendly. I really like this because 1, it's trendy, 2, you can shorten it, you can remove the ruffles or the gather side, the sleeve, and make it into short sleeves. You can sew it as is. I like the view C and D. I like the belt portion of it. That is really cute, and I like the color that they've used on the pattern here. I like view B a lot too. View A, I'm not so into it. It's not something I'm going to sew, but it's really cool as well. This is very beautiful and very easy. The only thing will be you'll be making darts, and again, these are things that you'll have to do at some point, but then there's no zip. As I'm scrolling through, I'm looking at the model and she's wearing the view C in white and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I don't know if this is my favorite so far. This is really, really nice. I like it. So that will be the 4th one for a beginner friendly sewing pattern. All right, we are on the 5th one, and the 5th one I love as well. I love this one because again, it is trendy. Everybody is wearing slip dresses. I even have made a slip dress and I filmed it, but I was like, everybody has sewn slip dress on YouTube. Like, everybody has done it. I didn't want to go through the trouble of editing that, doing all that work, and nobody watching my videos. That 1001 videos is the same thing, so there's no point. But if you want to sew a slip dress for yourself and you think that the videos are not enough, you have a pattern, and it is the Vogue V9278. It's very easy, no zip, you just have a breast dart. I can't say much about this. The only thing you have to do really is the dart. That's the only difficult thing that you have to tackle here, and even darts are not difficult. Like I said, trying to get you to do the easiest possible patterns or the easiest possible techniques when it comes to sewing. One dart here and there or zip, it's good. It's going to help build your muscles to go to the next step. You can also make a slip skirt out of this if you want to. You just have to measure your waist and adjust the length. That's it. Alright, so I said I was going to do 5 patterns, but I ended up seeing so many patterns that I fell in love with, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So this one is Vogue V9372. This one is just classy. This one is like, I'm matured, okay? I am classy. I'm wearing dresses. Don't talk to me. That is what this one says to me. I love dresses like this. This is a little bit advanced. I don't want to say it's a bit advanced. It's not. It's very easy Vogue. It's not advanced. The only thing is you have to sew a seam line, 2 seam lines in front, they call it style line. The sleeve is very easy. It's a flared sleeve. The view A, both in the view B. One is a midi dress and the other one is a maxi dress. There's nothing to it that I can say. You will have to fix the zipper at the back. So the very easy Vogue V9372, trendy, it's classy, it's matured, and that's what we're about here. You can also make this into a skirt if you want to. As a beginner, this one will be a good one for you to try. Alright, so I'm gonna give you one more, which is gonna be 7. That one is the McCalls M7950. I have it here. It's this one, and I'm sure you cannot see it properly, doing a bad job at that, but I'm going to be leaving a picture here for you. This one, the view A, view B, I mean all the views easy. The only thing is you have to fix buttons, and buttons for me, even now, if I have to skip buttons, I will skip buttons. Fixing the button or sewing the button is not a problem. It's a buttonhole. The buttonhole is the issue. You have to, you know, adjust. You have to adjust the button size to the buttonhole maker. This is what you use to make buttons. So my last project I made with buttons, I use this button. So you have to put the button in here, and it's going to create the buttonhole for you. If I don't have to deal with buttons, I wouldn't deal with buttons. So this pattern has a number of buttons in front, but it is an easy pattern, not too many things. It's just borders and gathered skirt portion of the dress. You just have to attach the buttons. I almost didn't include this one, but I thought that it's easy. For example, the top part, I thought it was trendy. I thought it was cute because you get to tie it. Tell me, leave a comment below and let me know if this is not beginner friendly. I think it is. If it's not, let me know. If you watched all the way to this point and you haven't subscribed, why? Subscribe, leave suggestions below. Let me know what you'd like to see on my channel. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good one. Bye.